Welcome to our guide on using online search engines effectively. Today, we'll unlock the secrets to making your online searches more fruitful. In this section, we're going to understand how search algorithms and ranking work behind the scenes. Using advanced search operators can refine your searches and yield better results. Let's explore a few key ones. Crafting effective search queries is an art. Use specific terms, phrases, and quotations to zero in on the information you need. Utilizing search filters and tools can help streamline your results based on date, region, or content type. It's crucial to evaluate the credibility of your search results. Check the source and cross-reference where necessary. Don't forget that search engines can also provide images and videos. These can be vital elements in enriching your content. You can customize search settings to cater to your needs. This will enhance your overall search experience. Staying updated with search engine trends can keep you ahead of the curve and improve your search strategies. To wrap things up, remember these best practices to make the most out of your online searches. Happy searching!